Hello and welcome to the Trim Queen Ornament Kit tutorial. The first thing that you want to do when you get your kit is to take out the most abundant, softest ribbon. This will be your base ribbon. You'll take your styrofoam ball and put a pin at the top and the bottom of the ball, which will indicate your north-south axis. You'll wrap the ribbon from the north pin to the south pin. Then guide the ribbon to the right of one row. Then at the opposite pin, guide the ribbon to the left. This will make a crisscross effect to create a smooth ribbon base for your ornament. Now it's time to get creative and play. You won't use all the trimmings in the kit on one ornament, so just start with one that's your favorite, and you build from there. You can wrap both vertically or horizontally, securing the ends with pins. As you can see, there are a million combinations of how you can embellish your ornament. Finally, if you want to hang your ornament, make a loop with one of the trimmings and secure it with the pearl-topped corsage pin. I can't wait to see what you make. Don't forget to tag me at Trim Queen. I love sharing your creativity.